Typing your Netflix password on a TV using a remote is slow, frustrating, and honestly unnecessary. There's a much faster way using your phone. In this video, I'll show you the fastest and easiest way to connect Netflix to your TV using your phone. No typing required. First, open the Netflix app on your smart TV. When the sign-in screen appears, you'll see a QR code on your TV. Now grab your phone, open the camera app, and point it at the QR code. A notification will appear on your phone. Tap it. Your phone will automatically open the Netflix app. Make sure the code matches your TV, then tap Sign in to TV. And that's it. Your TV is now connected to your Netflix account. No typing, no hassle. Make sure your phone and TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network for the fastest and smoothest connection. Now you can instantly enjoy your favorite movies and shows. If this helped you, subscribe, like, and comment for more simple tech guides like this.